Right, this is a Volcanoes trail. It's going to go up to all of these. I think it said over 100,000 years old, 3 of them. So the trail's going to wind up to the top of that one. That's Sandia, way off on the eastern side of Albuquerque. And then there's a second volcano and the third. It's only about a 3.2 mile loop, but should be interesting. Well, the trail up to the top of that is closed, daggone it. There's Albuquerque and Sandia Mountains. We're going to the second volcano hill. Hopefully it will be open and I can go up on top, because that's what I like to do. We'll see. I'm on my way to the second volcano mountain. I hope they'll let me, hope it's not blocked off for restoration as well. Now I'm over on the side where you can see Albuquerque, Sandia, and the rest of the valley. Pretty interesting. Good view, good exercise. That's the main thing right now. All right, that's the third one over there, but this is Black Volcano, and it looks like we can go up. There's no restriction. All right, let's go up this. I don't have a lot of time because it's almost 4 here in Albuquerque, and the park closes at 5, and you will be locked in and possibly even towed. So anyway, I'm trying to book it, make the best time I can. All right, approaching the top, and I am here. There's the one I couldn't go up, and there's the valley. This is all part of Boca Negra area. There's Sandia. We're going to do this little loop here and go to that one and try to get her all done in a fairly short period so I don't get towed or locked out. Okay, we are now headed to volcano number 3. What was this one? I think it was called Black Volcano. But gotta be a little bit more careful going down. This is pretty rocky. Oh yeah. Yeah, just a little ways. He's looking at Albuquerque and Sandia Mountain over there. We're looking across the Black Canyon, or the actually the Boca Negra, which is black mouth. And we're going over to that guy right there, the last volcano. Tiny volcano. This guy is a lot bigger than the other two. I hope I have time to get up. It looks like this path goes all the way around it. There is a couple, looks like it goes up. I'm using all trails again, but they could be closed. We will see. Yeah, that's pretty good. I am getting close to running out of time. All right, I came up a steep hill right there. Over on my right, I'm actually in the middle of this volcano. Not at the top, but down at an edge. As you can see, it says area closed, don't climb up there. That's the very top. I'm hoping there is something that's not closed up here to get to the top, but if not, we won't do it. These little trails are closed, but you can tell it's not a main trail. Looks like there's something up here. I might be able to go up. Question is, do I have enough time? Okay, just about back to my car, my rental car. Got a call while I was hiking, and my truck should be ready in the morning. So that's good news. It was going to be until Monday, so we'll see. All right, let's finish this hike up. Head back to the camper. It's only 6 miles from here.